The sun is more than just a bright star in the sky. It's the heart of our solar system, sending charged particles, solar flares, and magnetic storms that ripple across the vast expanse of space, shaping planets and life alike. But how much do we know about space weather? We are Team Luminex. We are here to talk about space weather and its effects. This is Nujhat Tabassum Medha. My teammates are Utpal Borua, Noshin Tabassum, and Mashrafi Ishraq. Space weather might sound distant, but it has real effects on Earth and across the solar system. Solar flares are sudden bursts of energy and radiation from the sun's surface that can travel millions of kilometers in minutes. It can be a reason for coronal mass ejections, which are massive clouds of charged particles that can trigger geomagnetic storms, interfering with power grids, radio communication, and aviation systems. Earth isn't the only planet affected. Mercury, closest to the Sun, experiences intense radiation that strips away parts of its thin atmosphere. Venus, with its thick clouds, traps some solar energy but still faces electrical storms caused by solar wind. Mars, with only a weak magnetic field, sees its atmosphere gradually eroded by charged particles, affecting future human missions. On Earth, space weather can subtly affect technology and daily life. Satellite signals may drop, GPS navigation can become inaccurate, and high latitude regions may experience stunning auroras. In space, astronauts face dangerous radiation exposure, making accurate prediction vital for their safety. Even after all this, we don't really know much about space weather. That's where we introduce you to Cosmic Guardians, an interactive game for kids with a purpose to teach kids about space weather and how to defend Earth. The player is presented with main options: Start Mission for solo play, Multiplayer for playing with others, and Solar Journal to review learned information. The player must choose a perspective. They can play as a guardian defending Earth or as a solar phenomenon to understand the sun's forces. The player will have 5 missions as a phenomenon: solar core, helospheric gateway, terrestrial impact zone, photosphere watch point, magnetosphere shield. The terrestrial impact zone mission focuses on how solar storms affect Earth directly. This is an interactive learning segment where player clicks on different options to read about that specific topic. The game tests players' knowledge with a series of timed questions. The player can learn about interesting space weather series from the Stellar Stories section. In the heliophysics lab, one can predict minimal impact on Earth. The impact of Cosmic Guardians goes beyond just learning. It builds awareness and curiosity by transforming complex space weather science into simple, engaging stories that equips young minds. Thank you for your time and attention.